YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This will work for both the 200 and the 250, so stay tuned, we're gonna dive right in. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we got quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This will work for the 200 or the Expert Line 250. In one of our previous videos, we show you guys how to get this actual side wheel off. You can tell I didn't actually put it on correctly as it's messed up. But for today's video, I want to show you guys how to swap the tires. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this. If you guys want to know how to get the tires off in more detail, make sure you guys check that out in the links in the description. We'll have that playlist for you guys. But I did want to mention that as you guys take these wheels off and that wheel pin off, your spokes also do come off. So you don't necessarily need to remove the entire tire in order to take off the actual treaded tire, but it is a lot easier to remove the wheel to be able to deal with rather than, you know, trying to fight it on the cleaner. So most of the time when you're replacing one part, you're replacing multiple. So if you've already got the wheel off, it's much easier to be able to replace the tire by doing that. So you guys can tell from this camera over here, you'll see that the wheel sits flush on both, the tire sits flush on both sides of the wheel hub itself. So as you guys are removing it and reinstalling it, you want to make sure that it sits on there the same way. The cleaner will not operate if you guys don't get this thing back on correctly. So as you can tell, just like a bike tire, you're just going to peel off the old rubber. And then here you actually have your wheel hub that actually has the bearings and stuff included. This is what your hubcap clips onto, and then the wheel pin will push through. So once you guys get your new set of tires, whether you're doing a three-finger hump, a super hump, or a super hump provided by Hayward on the tires, which is the glory of this cleaner, that you don't have to fight like the 400 that we've done in the past, as the 400 won't actually allow you to put any kind of different tires on the rear tires because of the room issue. So on the 200, you guys can put whatever size tires that you guys actually need to make sure that it operates correctly in your pool. So again, you're just peeling off the old tires. The ones you guys are gonna have are gonna be really gunky and sticky, and they're gonna be old. The chemicals, the sun, all those things matter to these things. So it's really important that you guys change these out once a season to make sure that this cleaner will optimally clean your pool. So once you guys have removed the old one, wash your hands, whatever it is you might need to do. To put on the new one, you're just feeding it around the same way that you did with a bike tire. You're just gonna go ahead and gently make your way around, peel the, it's rubber, so don't be shy, lift it up, it stretches, move it around, and then again, just make sure that everything is flush on one end and everything's flush on the back end. And then when it goes on, it doesn't necessarily matter which way you put it on as long as it fits into that bearing right. And then don't do what I did and make sure that the actual drive kit is going to sink down into the wheel to allow it to sit flush down with the cleaner like that. And then again, of course, you're going to put your spoke back on and then finish it off with the wheel pin. So just want to show you guys how to change that tire. Again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have all these products available directly on our website for you guys to purchase, as well as links down below. So click on those. Be sure to smash that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date on all these new videos that we got coming your way. And of course, as always, we really appreciate it when you guys smash that like button. So again, stay tuned. We'll have some more coming your way. But until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.